Are allergies keeping you down? Sneezing, watery eyes, and constant irritation can be exhausting. But did you know that a natural plant called Moringa might help bring you some relief? Stay with me, because in this video, we'll explore how Moringa can help with allergies. And I'll also share an amazing supplement called Moringa Magic that makes it easy to enjoy its benefits. Link is in the description below. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants that support the body in countless ways. Allergies are caused when your immune system overreacts to harmless substances like pollen, dust, or pet dander. This triggers inflammation, sneezing, and itchy eyes. Moringa may help because it contains compounds like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which have natural anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties. These compounds can calm down the immune system's response, reduce inflammation, and provide relief from allergy symptoms. Not only that, but Moringa also supports a stronger immune system overall. By nourishing your body with essential nutrients, it helps your system respond better to allergens without going into overdrive. If you're looking for a convenient way to add Moringa to your daily routine, I highly recommend trying Moringa Magic Supplement. It's an easy and powerful way to get the benefits of this miracle plant without the hassle of preparing it yourself. You'll find the link in the description below. So if allergies have been making your life harder, give Moringa a try and see the difference it can make. Don't forget to check out Moringa Magic through the link in the description below.